Ketki, an IT professional.
Hi, I'm Aditya. I'm a corporate finance professional.
Hi, I'm Advika.
For me, home is the place where I can, relax, keep my mind fresh.
It's a very special place for us where we feel calm and relaxed, enjoy the company of the family members. So in the living room, we wanted to include our dining unit, crockery unit, along with a mirror paneling, shoe rack, also sofa sets and a TV unit, along with a mandir.
So our kitchen requirement was specifically majorly I wanted our existing utensils should get accommodated in this new area. So everything is provided and designed by the designer, and I'm very happy because right now I don't see any of my utensils or any of my kitchen objects coming out of the storage. So this is our master bedroom. The requirement for our master bedroom was definitely a working station, a wardrobe. Also, we wanted very simple, soothing master bedroom. So the design Bonito team has provided extremely well. So our requirement for the kids room, we wanted a pink theme for this room and a study table for my daughter, and also a wardrobe dedicated to Advika's clothes as well as for the toys.
We were looking for a trusted partner who could fulfill our expectations. We have visited a couple of partners and also the experience center of Bonito. We could connect directly with the products and offerings which were there at the Bonito's experience center. They looked very professional. After careful consideration, we have decided to go ahead with Bonito. Yeah, so we are going to definitely recommend and refer Bonito to our friends because throughout all the stages of our project, they have been patient. They have shown the attitude to resolve the queries. We have had a very nice experience as per our expectation and as per the standards which Bonito has promised.